Hello, everybody, and welcome to IC Markets Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to take a look at a couple of potential setup that I'm currently stocking on mid to higher time frame. And the first one is for a potential breakover level, and that is on Bitcoin. So I want to start here with the higher time frame. And as we can see on the higher time frame, we are in a downtrend on the monthly chart. So we have a high, low, lower high, and a lower low. Now, drawing the fib retracement of this latest move, and we can see that the pullback that we had here was to in and around the 50% retracement. So a nice release of this strong selling pressure, a bit of buying momentum coming in, and we can see we form here a level. We'll take a look at that on the weekly chart for more details. Now, taking a look on the weekly, as the higher time frame pulling back, lower time frame tend to change direction. And we had an uptrend here forming on the weekly chart. Now, what I like about this level, it's in and around the 25,300 area. We can see we had a lot of touches in the past at that area. So on the way down here, we found support, we broke through it, we pulled back to test it from below, it turned into resistance, went lower, pulled back again into that area, once again resistance, and then we broke through it with quite a lot of force and continue higher, so made another higher high. We pulled back into that level again, so once again it acted as support, and then we pushed higher, making somewhat ever so slightly higher high, but then we pushed back into that level again, and we can see we try to break through it, reject it, and now we're consolidating above this level. So this level is quite crucial on this market. Let's take a look at the daily chart, and on the daily chart we can see the precise touches that we've got here on this level. So currently we still see some buyers coming back to defend this level. So what I'm looking for is either a break of this level. I'd like the market to trade below this week over here around the 24,150 area, and then look for a pullback to test this level from below, or some more touches at that level, compressions of price, and then look for a potential break. So this is the first one, and this is on Bitcoin. The second one is on crude oil. So I want to start with the higher time frame. So looking here on the monthly, and we can see we do have an uptrend here. And what I like is that with this pullback over here, we haven't broken the previous swing higher low. So I marked it with a light blue line, and we can see as we came down into that area, a lot of rejections, a lot of buyers trying to turn this ship around. We then went slightly lower and then burst into a higher high. Now, if we'll take a look at this action on the weekly chart, we can see that we were stuck here in a range. So between my purple line and the red line over here, you can see we had resistance and support. Tried to break below it, came back into that range. Tried to break above it, came back into that range, until finally last week, not only did we break above the range, we also broke above this area that already pinged the price above that range. So this is the first time that a weekly candle actually closed above that range. So I like it. We also have the moving averages 10 and 20 in the correct order, but the 50 hasn't turned yet. We have nice convergence to the upside from the momentum indicators, and we have confirmed an uptrend. So a low, high, higher low, and a higher high. So coming down into the daily chart, and what I've done here is mark the Fibonacci retracement from the low here to the high. It's not within a trend, it's just that latest biased move. And what we can see is that the 61.8% retracement is clustering quite nicely with the top of this range and also the last place that the seller was strong. So the last place that the sellers were able to push the price to a lower low. So what I'm looking for in this occasion is for a pullback to test this level from above. So we already have that break. I'm looking for a pullback, really some of this strong buying pressure, and I'll be looking for any signs that the buyers are coming back to take control over this market around this area, around the 82 to 83 area, and then I'll be looking for a continuation of this move. Happy trading, everyone. Bye for now.